This tutorial will show you how to set a product's MAP and MSRP prices and update it to different sales channels without leaving Sellercloud. Let's start with Minimum Advertised Price or MAP. In its simplest form, MAP is the lowest price a retailer can advertise the product for sale, not the lowest price they can sell it for in their store, but the lowest they can show it online or in an advertisement. Channels have different rules regarding MAP. Amazon does not allow MAP price to be higher than the site price. However, if you enable the setting Send MAP Price to Amazon even not enforced, the MAP price will be sent over even if it is lower than the site price. When the selling price is below the MAP price, the option See Price in Cart will appear on the Amazon listing. Any changes to the MAP price in Sellercloud are included in the price feed sent to Amazon. For automated updates, the Amazon company setting Allow Price Update, Regular, must be enabled, and the Amazon Prices Update service is running on your server. Contact Sellercloud support to confirm this service is installed. If you want to send the MAP price to Amazon, remove the list price from the item. When selling on eBay, note that when the Enforce MAP setting is enabled, the MAP price will be set as the default Buy It Now price. If disabled, the default Buy It Now price will be set to the site price. The MAP price is product specific and can be adjusted on the product details page or through a file import. The Enforce MAP checkbox will set this as the default MAP price for all channels using it. You will not be allowed to have a sell price higher than the MAP price. To change the MAP price per individual product, go to Catalog and click Manage Catalog. Select the product whose MAP you want to adjust, and click Edit. In the MAP price field, enter the actual MAP price for the selected product. Select the Enforce MAP checkbox. This will default the current MAP price value to all enabled channels. Save your changes by clicking the Save option or the tick icon. To adjust MAP prices for multiple products at once, use the Bulk Product Update function and update the requested product's info via a file import. Go to Catalog, select Tools, and click Import Product Info. Select Bulk Product Update. Click Generate Template to download a template. You can select either an existing template or create a new one. Click Next. When creating a new template, add the following columns. MAP price where you can update the MAP price value. Enforce MAP price where you can set the default MAP price for all related channels. For eBay, you will need a MAP price exposure column where you can choose when to display MAP. For pre-checkout, use value 0. For the during checkout option, use value 1. Another optional eBay-specific column is the MAP pricing treatment column. Values here are MAP or STP. MAP only shows the MAP price. STP or show list price the MSRP, not your eBay price, with strike-through in addition to the eBay price. If the eBay price is lower than the MAP, the eBay price will not display. The Use MAP Price for Website column sends the MAP price to website integrated channels if they have that option. Select the Add Row Sample option to add an example product ID and click Next. You can save the template using the checkbox and download it straight away. Click Download. Open the file, populate the columns, and click Save. Return to Bulk Product Update. Select the appropriate file and click Upload. Like MAP pricing, the manufacturer suggested retail price is product specific and is also adjusted on the product details page. You can also add it through a file import. To send the MSRP to Amazon, you must first enable Disable MAP Submission for Amazon in the client settings. Enter a positive value greater than 0 in the list price field. Post the product to Amazon. Note that MSRP will not be sent over using the Action Update price. To adjust MSRP for an individual product, select the product whose MSRP you want to modify. Click the pencil icon on the product's pricing panel or use the Edit button in the top right corner. In the Standard/List Price field, enter the actual MSRP for the selected product. Save your changes, and you're done. To set MSRP for multiple products in bulk, you can once again use the File Import function. Go into the Tools menu and click Import Product Info. Select Bulk Product Update and click Generate Template to save a template file for completing product parameters. Select your template and click Next. When creating a new template, use the default product ID column and the list price column that lets you update the MSRP price value in the Standard/List Price field. Use Add Row Sample option to add an example product ID to be added first and select Next. Save the template if you wish and click Download. Populate all the necessary columns, and save the file. Return to the bulk product update window. Select the appropriate file, and click Upload. Some channels offer the ability to show strike-through prices, STP, on listings. Typically, you are not allowed to set a strike-through price that is higher than the list price or the MAP price for that channel. For this functionality, the sell price must be lower than the list price. To send strike-through pricing to Amazon, you must first enable the Disable MAP submission for Amazon client setting. Enter a value in the standard/list price field, greater than the Amazon price, per product and post the product to Amazon. This update will not be sent automatically or upon selecting the update price action. To send strike-through pricing to eBay, you must use the Enable Strike-through Pricing for eBay client setting. Enable the subsetting Send MAP Price to eBay Strike-through Prices to send the MAP price instead of the Buy It Now price as the sell price. Use the bulk update function to update the strike-through prices for different channels. Go into the bulk product update feature and click Generate Template to save a template file for completing product parameters. Select a template and click Next. If you are creating a new template, use the following channel-specific columns. For eBay, use the eBay Enable Strike-through Prices and MAP pricing treatment. For Newegg, use newegg.com checkout MAP column. For Walmart Marketplace, use the Walmart Taper Price column. For Amazon, use the Amazon Price column. Populate the correct columns and save your file. Return to the bulk product update window. Select the appropriate file and click Upload.